It's a very simple 144 square foot building. What it served as for the community was very significant.
Smokey Hollow Barbershop was restored in 2018 as a part of the Smokey Hollow commemorative neighborhood.
My name is Bret Hammond. I'm a faculty member at Tallahassee State College. I've taught in the engineering technology program now for some 15 years here.
The community effort to restore Smokey Hollow Barbershop was headed by Hammond Design Group, Ram Construction, and Blueprint Intergovernmental Agency.
It was a gathering place for the men in the Smokey Hollow district to come get their hair cut, catch up on local news, talk to people. It also had served as a very important aspect of the community.
Smokey Hollow was originally a vibrant working-class Black community with hundreds of residents. The restored building we see today was displaced along with the rest of the neighborhood in the 1960s.
It was displaced. Residents of those areas could not get financing to rebuild, and they fell into disrepair, and they were easy targets for urban revitalization.
5 years after its restoration, Smokey Hollow Barbershop received the 2023 Historic Preservation and Restoration Award from the Florida chapter of the American Institute of Architects.
It's got a story to tell, and so we compiled the application. The award was never part of the overall project. We did it because we felt a very serious need, and right now it's in Cascades Park and is a prominent feature there and celebrates that aspect of community life. The people that had grown up in the Smokey Hollow neighborhood came from all over the country to participate in the grand opening of the building. And it was something that many of them had gone to when they were young men. Obviously, they were just overjoyed to see the building and then realizing that it's only a couple blocks away from its original location. And I think it gave them a chance to come back and talk about what they recalled of going there on Saturday to get their hair cut. It was a piece of their heritage brought back to life that many of them never figured they'd see again. So to be able to see it was a big surprise to a lot of them. From a cultural standpoint, it can't get any more important than that.